Thermal work limit TUL. Thermal work limit TUL is defined as the limiting or maximum sustainable metabolic rate that well-hydrated, acclimatized individuals can maintain in a specific thermal environment within a safe deep body core temperature 38.2 C or 100.8 F and sweat rate 1.2 kg or 2.6 lb per hour. In this table, we can able to see the thermal work limit zones. On the top row of the table, it was composed of 4 columns. The first column on the left is the working zones, followed by interventions, required rehydration schedule per hour, and work rest schedule of our workers in minutes. The second row indicates the low-risk unrestricted zone, for which TUL reads as less than 140 to 220. Next is intervention at low-risk unrestricted zone, indicates no limits on self-paced work for heat stress educated or trained hydrated workers. Then followed by rehydration schedule for light work 600 milliliters to 1 liter per hour of work. And the last column under low-risk unrestricted zone states safe for all continuous self-paced work. On the third row under working zones column indicates medium-risk cautionary zone with a thermal work limit reads between 115 to 140. And next under intervention third column, the cautionary zone indicates situation in which environmental conditions require additional precautions by the following controls. First bullet stated that the practicable engineering control measures to reduce heat stress should be implemented, for example, provide shade, improve ventilation, etc. Second bullet indicates working alone to be avoided or shall have buddy system. Third bullet indicates no unacclimatized person to work. Example of this person such as worker just came from cold country during vacation. This person shall be acclimatized first to adopt the environmental condition. Last bullet is to ensure adequate fluid intakes appropriate for the type of work of the person. So, if worker is involved in heavy work, more liquid shall be intake. Next is under the third row, the first row under hydration schedule, such as for light work fluid intakes estimated to 1 to 2 liters per hour, which under rest schedule indicates the is safe for continuous self-paced light work. On the second row of heavy work, the fluid intakes shall be greater than 1.2 liters per hour. This is to maintain the hydration of the person, with its walk rest schedule indicates as continuous pace of work 45 minutes work and 15 minutes rest. On the fourth row under working zones indicates the high-risk zone with thermal work limit of less than 115. This is the danger zone, most required careful supervision of workers. Under high-risk zone intervention, the first bullet indicates strict work and rest cycles required. Then no person to work alone. Followed on third bullet, no unacclimatized person to work. Then high-risk induction required, emphasizing hydration and identifying signs of heat strain. Last bullet states provide personal water bottle to each worker for about 2 liters capacity on site at all times. And under high-risk zones rehydration schedule indicates as all works, workers shall have fluid intake more than 1.2 liters per hour to maintain their hydration. For light work, 45 minutes work and 25 minutes rest. And for heavy work, 20 minutes work and 40 minutes rest cycle. Now that we understand the thermal work limit working zone, we will discuss on how we can get the TUL reading or monitoring. Well, you may need to buy measuring device that can directly give you the TUL reading for easy monitoring. You need to ensure that person in charge to use such device is having understanding on how to use the device accurately. Periodic calibration shall be conducted to the device by competent department or third party. However, you can also compute the TUL by online calculator such as OSHAD, Aqualite, TUL, and inputting all the data in the field as shown in the screenshot. I wish I could share to you the usable information that you can use in your workplace to prevent heat stress related illnesses to our workers.